The outside of a police car starts off like an ordinary white car. If it wasn't for the blue light on top, you wouldn't even know this was a police car. But all that's about to change with lots of these. And here, the reflective material is cut into all the stickers that are needed for the police car. The machine uses a special cutter. It moves really fast. Jake is popping out all of the different pieces from the sheet of material, and then he's going to take them over to be stuck on the car. But how do you think he's going to stick them on? Well, all of those different shapes and strips have a sticky back. They're just like giant stickers. Reflective stickers are made in layers. The first layer is made of a shiny clear plastic called acrylic. A stamp is used to press pyramid shapes called prisms into the acrylic. The layer of prisms is laid upside down onto another piece of acrylic. In just 1 centimetre, there are 5,000 prisms.